May nag-offer sa'yo ng one night stand, kapalit nun bibigyan kanya ng 1,000,000. Papayag ka ba? Take it or leave it. Lie detector, please. Oh my God.
So, hello everyone! Ayan, excited ako today, guys. Hello sa inyong lahat bago ko kwento sa inyo kung bakit ako excited. Hello muna ako sa mga nanonood today and sa mga bago pa lang po na nanonood. Hello and welcome dito sa ating channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, ano pang inaantay mo? Pinutin mo na ang red button and ang katabi niyang notification bell para lagi ka nang updated pag may new video ako. So ako po si Julie, isang OFW dito sa Saudi Arabia. So ayun, mag-proceed na tayo dun sa ating vlog na gagawin today. So I'm going to make a vlog today which is I will speak in English only while answering the questions from my Facebook post last week. So now I'm going to answer that, but with a twist. I'm going to speak in English only. Okay, so don't laugh at me, guys. Okay, don't laugh at me and don't make me fun, you know, because I'm not good much in English and I'm trying so that we can have some twist with our vlog today. So let's start with our first question from Chloe Lee. So Chloe Lee is one of my friend here in YouTube. So her name here in YouTube is Genlicious Vlog. So I know all of you guys here know her also. So it's Genlicious Vlog or Chloe Lee. The question was, bakit ka maganda? Anong sekreto? Ayan, the question is Tagalog, so I read it in Tagalog, but I will translate it in English, okay? Why I am beautiful and what is the secret? So I'm sorry for my English grammar, guys, ha? Okay. Okay, why I am beautiful and what is my secret, guys? Chloe Lee, I don't have a secret. It's just one thing. I'm not taking a shower every day. That's my ultimate or that's my top secret. Okay, Chloe Lee, sana I hope I answer your question. Okay, so next question was from Jan Costin or Kuya Jan or Kuya Foodie A1C here in our YouTube family or YouTube channel was Foodie A1C. So the question, yung mga natutuhan mong putahe sa Saudi, lulutuin mo pa din pag umuwi ka sa Pinas? So this one, maybe Kuya Jan, yeah, I want to cook the food that I learned here. I want to cook them in Philippines for my children, for my family. Maybe they will like it because I like it too. So maybe I will cook it when I go back Philippines. Okay, next question, Kuya Jojo Wonder Krungko or the channel in YouTube channel Jojo Wonder Krungko also. Okay, the question, bakit ka nag-YouTube? So why I make YouTube or why I make vlog or why I make this YouTube channel? Okay, the reason why, because before when I'm new here in my new employer, when I just come here, I am very busy because a lot of things to do, cleaning, everything like this. But when the time comes that it's maybe 6 months, I feel boring, I feel homesick, I feel sad like this. So I decided to make videos so that I can manage my life here while I'm working, so I can overcome my homesick and everything, so I will not be sad and I will be busy. I will think a lot of videos to do like that. So that's why. And the next question by Christian Adam Barwell. So Christian Adam Barwell, the YouTube channel was Adam's Apple. Of course, all of us maybe we know him also, Adam's Apple. So the question, guwapo ba ako, Julie? Ayan. So we will translate it in English. He said, if he is handsome. Okay, Adam's Apple, I will answer you. Please send me your picture so I can decide or judge what is your looking. What is your looking? What you look at? I think for me, Adam's Apple, physical appearance is not important for me. What is important is what is inside your heart. What is inside your soul. Being handsome outside is not enough for me. Or but the question is, are you a handsome? Okay, you are handsome because you are very, 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 very good friend of mine. Okay? I have a lot of talks, but you just ask me if you are handsome. So okay, you are handsome because you are good and you are very, very, very good friend of mine. Okay, next question from Zalina Fence Beharen. Okay, the question, how to be your baby face po? Okay, Ate Zalina, how to be me as a baby face? So I just thank God that He gave me this face, this genes. Maybe it's from our family also, my mother, my father, because they are also looking good and are some relatives also. So it's maybe it's from that, and always smiling and don't think too much and not worrying always. So you must always smile and eat more vegetable. And also, don't take a shower. Joke. I'm just joking. Okay, next question by Jelly Scotch or si Ate Jelly Helbolingo. I don't know how to read this one. Okay, isang lugar na gusto mong ipasyal ang mga anak mo at bakit? So, she asked me if where I will make pasyal or what's that? Go out with my children, where I will go out with my children. So, maybe, because I won last month, I won a staycation in Tagaytay with INPH. You know, INPH, one of our friend here in YouTube and Facebook. I won from her giveaway, going to Tagaytay. So, I have a staycation there. So, maybe when I go back Philippines, I will bring my children in Tagaytay. Okay, next question. Does Batch Gutierrez Alona? So, si Ate Alona Gutierrez, the question, ano ang nag-push sa'yo para pumasok sa isang relasyon ng kabataan mo? By Ate Alona. So, she asked me why did I go in a relationship or why did I make at a young age relationship? Am I right? So, the answer is, I fell in love and it's the problem with me. It's easy for me to fall in love with someone that's showing an effort, showing also love, care, like that. So, it's very, very easy for me to fall in love. That's the problem with me. That's why at a very young age, I have a relationship with my boyfriend before. Yeah, that's why. It's difficult to answer in English, you know. It's limited to explain. Okay, next question is from Ate May Labrador. Ano ang isang karanasan mo sa abroad na nagpakatatag sa'yo at bakit? So, what is karanasan? What is your experience that make you strong and why? What is your experience in abroad that make you strong and what's that? Magpakatatag? Okay, yun na yun. Okay, magpakatatag sa'yo at bakit? So what is your experience for being strong now in abroad? Like that maybe. Okay, the first or the experience that I have before is when I changed my employer. When I changed my employer from Riyadh to here, so different city, and it's the what's that? The experience that makes me strong is when they sell me to the agency, and then when I'm in the agency, I wait for 1 week or 2 weeks so that they will find me another employer, and then there in the agency you will just eat once a day. So they will give us food because we are a lot of domestic helper there in one room in that agency. So they will just give us food 11 p.m. in the night, and then the next day 11 p.m. again. So what we do is we eat just once a day only, and we don't have communication with our family, nothing, because our phone are with them. So it's the very, 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 very experience that I have before. I am crying in that room, and I'm just praying, and I pray that when I have another employer, it will be good, and I can finish the contract 2 years again, and they will be good to me, I will be good to them. So, but now it's okay because it's answered prayer. I am okay here in my new employer. I'm happy for that. So it was the experience that makes me strong. Ate May Labrador. Okay, next question from Jenny. So, si Ate Jenny C. Fuertes. The question, ano ang buhay mo dito sa Pinas? So, that was the question, what is my life in Philippines? So, in Philippines, my life was, before, maybe she's asking about my work. So, I'm working in an electronics company before. It's a factory like that. So, I'm working there as a contractual. So, every 6 months, you will find another job. So every 6 months you will find another job because it's a contractual only in Philippines before. So it's my job. But when my eyes become blurred and become 20/40, so it's not a good vision. It must be 20/20, right? So now it's not 20/20. So the factory that I'm applying, because they allow just 20/20. So I cannot work on a factory or electronic companies because I must have 20/20 vision. But I am not now. So, I work on a house, domestic helper, like that, selling vegetables, selling everything that is a good job, or marangal in Tagalog. So, marangal na trabaho in Tagalog. I don't know in English what is marangal na trabaho. Decent work. Yeah, decent work. Like that. So, it's my life in Philippines. Okay, from Saralyn Mama, Kwentuhang Puso. So, it's about heart. Heart. And itong tanong ko, Julie, bakit hindi nag-work yung previous relationship mo? Okay, Ate Saralyn, why my relationship before did not work? So it's a different situation because I have two. So before he have another girlfriend. So the next one is very irresponsible man. So I don't like it. So I just separate with them. Okay, the first he have another woman. The second is very irresponsible. Okay, next, Marja just says the vlog. Anong special menu mo kung may dinner date ka sa bahay bukas ng Valentine's Day? So, dinner date? Valentine's Day because I posted this before Valentine's Day. So, she asked me, maybe I will cook all vegetable and like coconut with coconut gata, you know, because I miss gata or the coconut milk, and then you will put it on the vegetable, so I miss it. So maybe I will cook it for my dinner date, but I don't have a boyfriend, so I will not have a dinner date. Maybe maybe someday. Yeah, okay, thank you for that, Marja GSA's vlog. So next is Ate Po Khalil Angel. So hello to Ate Po Khalil Angel. The question, ilang taon ka nagkaanak at bakit kayo nagkahiwalay? I gave birth on my first baby, Kiel. So my son is Kiel, the eldest. I'm 19 years old that time. I'm 19 years old, and the father, we separate because he have another woman, and they are married now, and they are happy. They have one son also, but it's okay. Forget about it. Okay, next question. Ate Russell Celis, hello to Ate Russell or Anglo-Filipino, the YT channel. Pag matapos mo ang kontrata mo dyan, babalik ka pa ba ng Middle East? Ate Russell, it depends, because as I have told before, I have some medical issues. So maybe if I apply in another country, I will be not pass the medical. So maybe I will be back here. I'm okay here, but just the salary, because it's a small salary. So I cannot save and I can't, but it's okay. I have food, I am, you know, you must think first what is good for you before anything else. It's just what I am complaining here is just the salary, and I don't have a breakdown. So that's why. But maybe I will be back. Okay, Heart on Fire. Anong paborito mong food dyan sa Middle East? By Heart on Fire. My favorite food here is maybe kabsa, because I'm always cooking that. Kabsa and actually everything. Because I eat everything here and I like it. And they are healthy. You know what? When I come here in Saudi Arabia, all my illnesses or all my things in the body I think are gone because of the food here. Before I am anemic, my blood was low. When I wake up, I cannot see anything because it's a low blood, you know, low blood. And then now, it's okay. I feel okay with my body. And when I come here in Saudi Arabia, I'm almost 4 years here. I did not have any fever, any coughing, any sickness. Thank God for that. And thank for the food here in Saudi Arabia. And also the dates here, of course, very healthy. That was the one thing that I love here, the dates. It makes me very, very healthy, especially about my blood. Yeah, that's why. Okay, to Rona Lee. From Rona Lee, the question, ilang taon ka na sis, bakit baby face ka? At sana mag-meet tayo sa Bicol. Oh, because I'm from Bicol region of the Philippines. Okay. She asked me if how old I am, why I am baby face. Yeah, the other one, Ate Salina Pins also asked this. Okay, I am 29 years old this year. So, why I am baby face? I don't know also, but I think it's because of always smiling and not worrying, not thinking too much, eating vegetable, sleeping well, like that. That's all. And not taking a shower, of course, don't forget. Okay, next question. Sino i-date mo, Tom? So, this is because I posted it before Valentine's. So, they asked me who I will date. I don't have boyfriend, so I don't have a date. It's just myself. Okay, next question. Sis Nalmaka, for this coming Valentine's at kung nasa Pilipinas ka, may nag-offer sa'yo ng one night stand, kapalit nun bibigyan ka niya ng 1 milyon. Papayag ka ba? Take it or leave it. Lie detector, please. Oh my God. Grabe yung, oh my, English. It's too much question at Sis Nalmaka. But I will answer, of course, I will take it. It's 1 million. But, in that night, I will make it the last night and the forever night. Because I will make all the things that he will not leave me again. It will not be the last night and the first night and the one night stand. It will be the all night, the forever night with him. Grabe. Yeah, I will do that. Sis Nalmaka. Okay, Ate Val. Hello, Ate Val. So she asked me, sa palagay mo, ano na ginagawa mo in the next 5 years? So, in my opinion, what I am doing in the next 5 years. What do you think? What you are doing in the last 5 years? So, that's the question. Okay, maybe in the last 5 years, my house is finished. Of course, in God's will, my house is finished, and I am there with my 2 kids, taking care of them, and I have small business, and of course, maybe I will be a full-time blogger. In God's will. Okay, next question, Ate Ryan. Oh, this was a funny question. Bakit di tayo lumalaki? Para may matanong lang. Ate Ryan asked, why we are not, growing up. Yeah, making up. Okay, she asked, why we are not growing up? I don't know also. Maybe it's our genes. It's just our genes. It's from our relatives, and it's just the height that we have. Because you will see the tall man or woman, their family also are tall. So maybe it's about the genes, or maybe you did not sleep in the afternoon because your mother always saying, you must sleep in the afternoon so you will grow up. Right? When we are young, they are always saying that. Or maybe you did not jump in the new year, so you will be tall. It's just my own opinion. Okay, next question. From Baron Babsy. So Baron Babsy, the YT channel is Baron Slayer. Or he changed already, I don't know. Okay, kung isa kang bulaklak, anong klaseng bulaklak ka at bakit? If you are a flower, what you are? What kind of flower are you, and why? Okay, maybe I will be a flower of the trees. Like mango, like apple, like what other trees have flowers? Any trees that have flowers, I will be the flowers of them, because after they bloom, after they give a beautiful flower, you will have a very, very, very sweet fruit that people can eat. Yeah, I will be like that. Okay. What? Baron Babsy. By Baron Babsy, ha? Okay, Jonard Ansarias. Jonard Ansarias or Midnight TV in YT channel. The question, kung mamahalin kita, mamahalin mo din ba ako? In English, if I will love you, you will love me too? What? Ano daw? Okay. Of course, I will love you too. You will love me, I will love you too, because you love me. We are friends, so we must love who love us too. Who take care of us, we must take care of too. Right? Who love us, we must love also. Who taking care of us, we must take care also. Right? Ano daw? Really, it's difficult to speak English, huh? From Aranas Omanak or Ate, what's the name of Greenish Miles? Okay, she asked, why are you still young? Oh my. I'm not, yeah, thank God. But I'm thankful to God because I'm still looking young. Looking young. Okay, the last question, guys. Last question, but not the least, from Julie Rose. I know all of us know Julie Rose. YT channel is Julie Rose. So she asked, are you in a relationship right now? If not, then are you willing to give a chance to be in a relationship again? Oh, yes, I will translate because it's already English. Of course, yeah, I am willing to give chance, of course, to be in a relationship again. Of course, I'm not pusong bato, or I don't have a stone heart. I don't have a stone heart. Of course, but I must be wise. It's already 2 wrong choices that I have. So I must be wise now. I must choose the man that is responsible and will accept my children. That's all. Will accept my children and responsible. It's just what I want for a man that will come. So we'll pray for that, and thank God if he will give me that man. If not, it's okay. I am happy, and I am happy being single. Really, I am happy, and you can see that. It's just sometimes I am jealous, or I am envy with the things, or with the people, with the couples that I see on YouTube or on social media. But it's okay. I can manage myself. I have 2 hands. Joke! No, really, this is the end. Okay, guys, I am happy and I am okay. So let's just wait for the perfect timing of God and perfect place for that. So this is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for all the people who participated and who commented on my post on Facebook. So thank you so much to you. That's all for today. Thank you so much, Olette. And I hope you had a good day today and while watching this video. Thank you so much. And remember, be the reason for others to smile. Bye-bye!